Hi, I'm Carla Hunter, a career advisor at University of Phoenix. Today, we'll be covering 5 tips to build your personal brand. Your personal brand does more than help you land your next job. It's your North Star for who you hope to become down the road. Think of it as your reputation and the value you bring to the workplace. In a competitive job market, it's important to be intentional about creating a personal brand that clearly communicates who you are and what you have to offer. Choose 5 qualities that describe you. If you don't know where to start, think about compliments you've received, the job you want to have, or skills you admire in people who inspire you. Defining your goals starts with one question. What do you really want? Thinking broadly about what you want from your career will help you develop a brand that aims to achieve those goals. Here are questions to consider. What do I want more of? What am I missing? And with whom do I need to connect? Remember, these goals don't need to have a timeline attached to them. They're designed as a guide for developing your personal brand and helping you get what you want out of your career. Your personal brand is designed to attract the right people to your door, but figuring out who those people are and what's important to them can be overwhelming. So, identify your target audience by focusing on the industry and companies you want to work for. Put yourself in their shoes and research their needs and skills. Reach out to people in the roles you're interested in to understand what it's really like. Once you know what's important to your target audience, you need to communicate the value you bring to the table. Follow this framework to create a mission statement. I help target audience do/understand what so they can desired outcome. An example for myself would be, I help students and alumni understand interviewing practices so they can land their dream job. Now that you have your personal brand, it's time to put yourself out there. A few ways to get started include completing your LinkedIn profile, building and sharing your personal website, and participating in networking at key industry conferences. If you want to learn more about personal branding, our downloadable guide includes additional tips. Click the link in the description to learn more. If you liked today's video, subscribe to our University of Phoenix YouTube channel for more great career content. And if you have questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.